For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Little young motherfuckers funny. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlocks. Fast light, don't stop at the red light. I told her bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for that bitch.
Hey gang, what y'all think? Y'all think I should get another Challenger to go beside this? That Charger? What y'all think, man? What y'all think I should do? I'm gonna go that way. That light hold too long that way. But heck yeah, man. Back in this thing, bro. Y'all already know what's going on. Alright, gang, I'm back. But yeah, man. What y'all think about that Challenger, though? Y'all think I should go right beside this Charger with a Challenger? I need to know. Or should I go dad car brand, get like a Durango or something? Go beside that Charger. What y'all think, man? That Durango motherfucker gonna be hard, though. I already got another motor, you know what I'm saying? If I get the 570, y'all know what I can do. You know what I'm saying? Folk turn out in front of you like that. Heck yeah though, man. I'm trying to goddamn start uploading more too. I don't know. I'm trying to goddamn stay consistent with it. Don't want to start something I can't stay consistent with. I think I'm finna go get the car wash real quick, man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go get it washed real quick before I go to work. No, man, it might be traffic, bro. I don't know, I hope not. Hey, let's go ahead and go. Heck yeah, though, man. Look, man, y'all ain't seen me in a minute, you feel me? But look though, what y'all think, man? I think the Durango gonna be hard though, you know what I'm saying? I feel like the Durango gonna be way harder than that Challenger. I already had the Challenger, you feel me? I don't really wanna, I like them still, but I don't think I wanna go another coupe. I got a son, man. I gotta wait till he get older for that, you feel me? Get that dad car, get that Durango. SRT8 guy. Hey man, look, man, I lost track of time, boy. I'm almost late for work, boy. I'm almost late, boy. I gotta be there at 2:30, but it's I'm gonna be there at 2:22. Shit, boy. E-car gone, but I can cut some time, man. I got a long ass walk to the time clock. You know what I'm saying? But heck yeah, though, man, look. What y'all think? I know I done asked y'all that question, man, so many times, bro. I just wanna know what y'all think. Cause I'm finna get something. I'm finna get something else, man. Glad they got him and not me, boy. Cause I was just speeding, boy. Yeah, we gonna be on to bigger and better things soon here in the future, man. I got so much planned. You know what I'm saying? But the work come first. You feel me? You gotta put in that work to get where you wanna be at, man. You gotta get off your butt, man, and work sometime, bro. Not sometime, all the time, cause you really want something, you gonna have to get that job by yourself, bro. Ain't nobody gonna ever give you nothing. For real, for real. You gotta work for everything you want. Facts, but I don't know if anybody told y'all that, but I'm just letting y'all know, man, for real. I'm on fucking slicks, boy. What the fuck? Yeah, man. I need a goddamn tire plug, man. I need to get some real tires real quick, man. I gotta do that shit, man. Tomorrow morning. What the fuck?